Hey YouTube, it's Scott from Hoosier Square Body Radios. Um, Probably my first actual review of a product, but just wanted to know if anybody else has had this problem and kind of a warning so I can get it out there so that people know. LG makes a few Bluetooth speakers with the xBoom system and Meridian sound, but almost all of them, especially in the UK, not available in the US yet, they have DTS, and they have the PN5 and the PN7 series. I thought I was buying the PN5. Turns out it's the PN5M, and it lights up. It works. It has most of the functions. It's recognized by the LG app, but what it doesn't have is DTS, and it actually kind of sounds like crap. I've had quite a few Bluetooth speakers, and this thing did not live up to the hype that I've seen the reviews for the actual PN5. So just to show you what it looks like and what it is before I return it, there is a difference, and I don't know why. If this one was like a specialty product for USA that failed, this was produced supposedly in July of 2021, so it's not even that old. Highly disappointed. I can't find any information on it anywhere. It doesn't even exist on LG's website. So I'm going to show you it real quick. Looks just like every other PN5 out there, except across the top here, you've got a light button instead of a microphone, standard instead of DTS, and of course the sound boost button. The back is exactly the same. Hard to open with one hand. You know, USB-C, auxiliary, all the fun stuff. But here's the interesting parts. Let me get it to focus. There we go. PN5M, July of 2021. It does say something about USA at the bottom. And as far as I understand, the PN5 is not available in the US. It's only available in the UK. The box looks exactly the same, other than the model is different. So I'm sending this one back. I'm going to try to get an actual PN5. So I'm going to try to make sure to tag as many things that I can so that this video is on YouTube and people can search for it, since I've found no thing. Maybe somebody else can help me out. And because my phone is my only source of audio, I can't really play anything while recording. So have a nice day.